This is the sound of Maserati's rebirth. The MC20, the first Maserati supercar in 16 years. 630 horsepower from a twin-turbo V6 that Maserati built completely in-house for the first time in decades. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.9 seconds. Butterfly doors and a price tag of €216,000. This isn't just Maserati's comeback, it's their declaration of war on Ferrari and Lamborghini. At the heart of the MC20 sits the Nettuno, Maserati's first completely in-house engine since 2002. This 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 produces 630 horsepower at 7,500 RPM and 730 Newton-meters, 538 pound-feet of torque. But here's the genius. Maserati used Formula One technology in a road car engine. The Nettuno features twin spark ignition, 2 spark plugs per cylinder, just like F1 engines. Pre-chamber combustion technology creates a more efficient burn, reducing emissions while increasing power. The turbos are positioned in the valley between cylinder banks for optimal airflow and reduced lag. Dry sump lubrication allows the engine to sit lower, improving the center of gravity. The engine block is aluminum with plasma-coated cylinder bores for reduced friction. Variable valve timing on both intake and exhaust optimizes power delivery across the entire rev range. This V6 produces more power per liter than Ferrari's V8, 210 horsepower per liter. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts in just 150 milliseconds in Corsa mode. The MC20 is built around a full carbon fiber monocoque chassis. No compromises here. The tub weighs just 90 kilograms, 198 pounds, but provides incredible rigidity for precise handling. Double wishbone suspension front and rear with adaptive dampers from Bilstein. The suspension geometry was developed specifically for the MC20, not borrowed from other cars. Electronic limited slip differential with torque vectoring for maximum traction. Carbon ceramic brakes feature 380mm 15-inch discs with 6-piston Brembo calipers. The dry weight is 1,500 kilograms, 3,307 pounds, lighter than most sports cars today. Perfect weight distribution of 42% front, 58% rear for optimal balance. The chassis was designed from day one to accommodate future electric powertrains. Every line on the MC20 serves an aerodynamic purpose. This is functional beauty. The front splitter and side air intakes create downforce while cooling the engine and brakes. Active rear spoiler deploys automatically at 60 kilometers per hour, 37 miles per hour, and adjusts based on driving mode. The rear diffuser works with the spoiler to balance downforce and reduce drag. Underbody panels are completely flat to optimize airflow beneath the car. Side air intakes feature active shutters that close at high speeds to reduce drag. The butterfly doors aren't just for show, they improve aerodynamics when open for cooling. In race mode, maximum downforce configuration provides incredible high-speed stability. Drag coefficient of just 0.38 despite the aggressive aerodynamic elements. The MC20's design represents Maserati's new design language, aggressive yet elegant. The front grille features Maserati's signature trident, integrated into functional air intakes. Butterfly doors open at an 80-degree angle, requiring minimal clearance compared to traditional scissor doors. The side profile shows clear supercar proportions with a long hood and short rear overhang. Distinctive side air intakes are both functional and visually striking. The rear features a clean design with integrated spoiler and quad exhaust outlets. LED headlights and taillights use Maserati's new signature lighting design. Available in 17 different colors, including the signature Blue Infinito and Bianco Audate. Carbon fiber elements are available throughout for weight reduction and visual impact. The MC20's interior blends supercar functionality with Italian luxury. The cockpit features a 10.25-inch touchscreen running Maserati's latest infotainment system. digital instrument cluster with configurable displays for different driving modes. The steering wheel features integrated controls and paddle shifters made from carbon fiber. Seats are available in leather or Alcantara with carbon fiber backing for weight savings. Optional track package includes 4-point racing harnesses and fire extinguisher. Climate control maintains comfort even during aggressive track driving. Sonus Faber Premium Audio System delivers concert-quality sound. Storage space is limited but practical for weekend trips or track days. Performance figures tell the MC20's story. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 60 miles per hour, in 2.9 seconds. 0 to 200 kilometers per hour, 0 to 124 miles per hour, in just 8.8 seconds. Hypercar territory. Top speed of 325 kilometers per hour, 202 miles per hour, makes it faster than most competitors. 5 driving modes completely transform the car's character: GT, Sport, Corsa, Wet, and ESC off. In Corsa mode, the suspension firms up, exhaust opens fully, and shift times minimize. Launch control manages perfect starts with minimal wheel spin. The MC20 generates 1.2 G of lateral acceleration on track. Braking from 200 kilometers per hour, 124 miles per hour, takes just 143 meters, 469 feet. Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires provide incredible grip. Starting at €216,000, $230,000, the MC20 undercuts Ferrari and Lamborghini significantly. Despite the lower price, build quality and performance match or exceed the competition. First-year production was limited, creating immediate collector interest. Resale values have remained strong, with some examples appreciating above MSRP. The MC20 represents incredible value in the supercar segment. Maserati's return to motorsport with the MC20 GT2 adds racing credibility. This is Maserati's most important car since the original MC12 in 2004. The MC20 proves that Maserati can compete with the best supercars in the world. The Maserati MC20. 630 horsepower of Italian engineering excellence and the dawn of a new era. This isn't just Maserati's comeback, it's proof that they never really left the supercar game. What did you think of Maserati's return to form? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Italian supercar excellence, smash that like button and subscribe to NitroVision. Hit the notification bell so you never miss when we explore the world's most incredible machines. What supercar should we analyze next? Drop your suggestions. I am reading every single comment. Until next time, this has been NitroVision. And remember, the best stories are told at full throttle.